Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So today I've got a bit of an unboxing for you. As you can see, it's a delivery from Backyard Bullion. This arrived today. I haven't opened it up to look at it yet. I've just taken out the packaging so you can't see my address. Now, for those of you that haven't heard of Backyard Bullion, I will leave a link to his channel in the description below. For those of you that have been stacking precious metals for a while would have heard of him. Let's get straight into the video. Like I said, I haven't looked at this yet, so I'm really excited to see how it looks. One of his business cards there. Like I've said to you before in previous videos, if you're stacking silver and you're not on the silver forum, you're definitely missing out some bargains. You can save the 20% VAT when you buy on there because it's pre-owned precious metals. And yeah, I've always had positive experiences when buying on there, so definitely do check it out. Let's get into it. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to carry this out, and I'm going to put it on here. It's a bit easier, there we go. Now there's a little bit more information in here. This just tells you a little bit about hand poured silver that Backyard Bullion does. This tells you about the hallmark and everything like that. All of his items, all his poured silver is all hallmark, so it's all guaranteed that it's the real deal. Also got the certificate of authentication here, and you can see I've got number 63 out of 75. So quite a low mintage on these. Now you do pay a bit of a premium on poured silver, but you are supporting the silver forum, you're supporting Backyard Bullion's business at the same time. And also, every now and then it is nice to chuck in a little bit of premium silver, treat yourself, and that's what I've done here today. So let's get into it. Really nicely packaged. Look at that. It's in a nice little pouch here. Alright, so here we go, let's get into it. I've been looking forward to this arriving. As soon as I saw these on the silver forum, I just knew I had to have one. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous piece of silver. 3 ounces. It says the silver forum. It's got the silver forum logo on there as well. It's got the hallmarks at the bottom. Let me just zoom in a little bit for you. There we go. Absolutely gorgeous bit of silver. Really chunky. Look at the size of that. You've got the mintage on the side, which is a nice touch there. 63 out of 75. And what I love about poured silver is they're all unique. They've all got their own kind of fingerprint, if you like. You're never going to get any poured silver that's the same. When you buy kind of bullion coins, they're all very the same. They're just pumped out. Whereas with stuff like this, it's actually handcrafted. A lot of work's gone into this to be made. Really, really nice. Look, I really like that bit there. It looks almost like a sort of cliff edge kind of effect. Really nice bit of weight, that. Look, so you've even got 2022 written on the side there as well. That feels so nice in the hand. And it just looks gorgeous. What a nice looking piece of silver to add to the stack. You've got his logo down there, Backyard Bullion, 999 fine silver. Got like a little hole there, just really, really nice. The swirls, just absolute gorgeous round. Really, really pleased with it. And as you've seen, the packaging is amazing. Coming up to Christmas, so something like that in someone's stocking would just be really, really nice. It's a great way to get someone into silver and get them excited about it. So yeah, Backyard Bullion, if you do watch this video, thank you very much. Really, really pleased with this. Can't wait to add it to the stack. Really heavy, really nice. I like how dense it is, and because it's so thick, it just feels really nice in the hand. So yeah, there you go. Let me know in the comments what you think. As always, thank you very much for watching my videos, and I hope you have a nice day.